Hi everybody, welcome back to Laksh Divination. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Divine Collective. I'm here to relay another message to you, alright? And here I've taken my first deck, that is Astrological Egyptian Gods Goddesses deck. Alright, and first card that came out, the energy that we got here is Spiritual Awakening is Calling. So your spiritual awakening has come, okay? Second is celestial language activation. So this can be your DNA codes, okay? Something about speaking or understanding light language, okay, light codes. Channeled divine connection, can be channeled messages as well. You can do channeling as well. Your soul is remembering its original frequency right now, okay? Allow these sounds and symbols to flow, and they're the keys to awakening. So whenever it comes to a key, okay, the key will always be your soul's DNA activation, okay, the sounds and symbols. So this is celestial language activation for you guys. And then we're tapping into your 12th house, okay, the unseen one that is ruled by Pisces and Neptune over here. So this is regarding spirituality, okay, subconscious mind, hidden truths, endings and beginnings, okay. Surrender to the unknown. Deep healing and intuition are guiding you now. So dear, as I told you today in the evening and in the morning, this is regarding your purification, okay. Right now, in almost all the readings, the advice that is coming throughout is that you have to listen to your inner voice, you have to listen to your intuition, okay? That's guiding you towards your destiny. And then we have the god of rebirth, Khepri, okay? Khepri is the god of transformation, cycles and divine timing. Something about the karmic cycles being closed. 255 on the timer. You are shedding the old, okay, and a powerful rebirth is near. So this is regarding your rebirth, okay. You're shedding the old toxic energies that were sent towards you, all right. And then we have Happy. Happy is the god of Nile and is known for the flow, blessings and emotional abundance. 3-3 on the timer. Go with the flow, prosperity is coming your way, all right. You have to praise the patience, persistence, perseverance, okay, all in one right now. You just have to look forward and nothing else. Just keep going, okay, keep up the pace. So I see Sag Capricorn cusp over here. Somebody is Sag Capricorn cusp. Can be you, can be the attackers, okay. 355 on the timer. This is the cusp of prophecy. Wow. Amazing. Like I see prophecy coming in your life to be true. Or maybe you are a prophet or a prophetess, okay. Take what resonates. So that tells me that you're a chosen, okay. You're anointed, God's anointed one. Then we have star system recognition. Wow. 4-4 on the timer. Feeling an unexplainable connection to a specific star and a constellation. Your soul remembers its cosmic origins. Explore the energy of the star because it holds keys to your purpose. So this came directly under celestial language activation. So something about the key are, listen, the sounds, symbols and the energy of the star that you correlate with, okay. These are the keys to your purpose, to your awakening, okay. Then we have dream walking and astral meetings. Wow. So you're interacting with people in dreams, okay, who confirm the experience in waking life. Your consciousness is traveling beyond the physical, Pay attention to messages received in dreams. They are real, okay? If somebody is talking to you, oh my god, 555 on the timer. If somebody is talking to you, somebody is relaying a message, please listen to it, okay? And if you are awake, if you suddenly awake from the dream, please write it down because it's some kind of guidance for you, all right? If not for the present, but it will be for the future, all right? Then I see Pisces Aries cusp over here. Somebody is Pisces Aries cusp, all right? And in the other sense, if I see this, the cusp of rebirth, that is again telling me about your rebirth, the shedding of the old, all right? Yeah, it came directly under Capri, the god of rebirth. See the synchronicities going on in this reading right now. 655 on the timer, dear ones, dear chosen ones. Then 7th house, okay, something about 7th house after your 12th house. That's governed by Libra and Venus. The house of your partnerships, okay, that's the enemy is attacking right now. Marriage, business partnerships, contracts, and balance. So relationships are mirroring your inner world. Strive for harmony and fairness, all right? So keep yourself balanced. What did I say? That when we are balanced from inside, we attract, okay? We manifest what's inside, okay? We manifest outside what is reflected from the inside. 755 as I say this. Then something about elemental communication coming into play for you guys. You're receiving direct messages from earth, fire, air, or water. Please be mindful, okay? Because you're bonding with nature spirits, okay? Deepen your connection with the nature to receive their wisdom, all right? You can be a fire sign. I see fire signs here. You can be Aries, Leo, Sag, or these attackers can be Aries, Leo, Sag, all right? Then your 11th house. 11th house is telling me about house of community and innovation, all right, governed by Aquarius and Uranus. This is regarding your social network, collective goals, future visions. Your role in the greater collective is shifting, okay? 855 on the timer. Okay. Your role in the greater collective is shifting. Embrace progressive ideas and collabs. So, didn't I say something about your creative endeavors in the last readings? Okay. You can check out my last reading as well. A lot of creativity has come out in that with the Page of Cups, with the Ace of Wands and King of Cups, okay? I got these cards in the last read, okay? So this is also telling me something about your innovative ideas and collabs, okay? So if you are compelled to start, okay, if you get that urge to start anything of your own, please start it. Be it a platform, okay? 955. As I say this, then we have air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay? Can be the attackers, can be you. 1010 as I say this, 10-10-8-8 can be significant over here. Your manifestations are near, and that directly came under happy and 7th house partnerships. So you can be manifesting subconsciously marriage, all right? It says keep the faith, your desires are unfolding, all right? So it can be a sacred union, a divine union, okay? Your divine counterpart, all right? And then we have dark deals with the elite, okay? So coming to what's going on behind your back, your name or energy is being misused here, okay? 1055 as I say this. Somebody has done a karmic theft, okay, with the elites over here. Another soul is reaping rewards meant for you. Karmic theft. 111 as I say this. Then we have trust your legal instincts, okay, because somebody definitely has done something over here, okay? See, more than your legal instincts, trust on your inner instincts, okay? Inner instincts, your inner voice, your intuition. Cool? Then something about soul contract forgery. So maybe your soul contract has rendered as void, okay? Has been rendered as void, okay? 1155 as I say this. See, somebody has tampered with an agreement over here, okay? It can be soul or it can be on paper, all right? Somebody maybe has or definitely have forged your signatures as well. This was also coming in for the Divine Collective. And then we have bribery and corruption over here. So yes, this dark deals, okay, are definitely linked with the bribery and corruption, okay, because some karmic has done a theft over here. Karmic in your energy, okay. Someone is buying influence in secret. So this can be regarding their own platform, okay. Somebody can be really popular, right? 1255 as I say this. Can be a popular, can be a social butterfly, all right. Take what resonates and leave what does not. So this person might be buying influence under the table, okay. Can be having dark deals with the elites, correct. And maybe this person has done this karmic theft, all right, with people. Yeah, and then possession and entity control over here. So I see somebody has an entity attachment to them, okay. Might be a cause and effect of dealing with the dark entities or working with the dark entities. As I say this, I see 133, okay. Then something about spiritual jail. So for this karmic theft, they're gonna have a spiritual jail. They're going into spiritual jail. This message is being relayed a lot nowadays, okay, about the spiritual jail. 1355 on the timer. Divine law has confined the souls for wrongdoing, all right. Then we have, let me shuffle, mind control programming. That's what this trust your legal instincts is all about. Maybe somebody is being manipulated in a legal situation here, okay, because somebody has forged a soul contract over here on paper or in spirit, or can be both. Take what resonates, okay. Take what resonates. And this is regarding this mind control. 1440 on the clock. This is being done to a chosen one. This is being done to a chosen, an anointed one. Somebody is being manipulated over here. 1455 as I say this. Alright. And they are being invited to trust their legal instincts because somebody is planning some under the table thing against them. Yeah, and this is okay. I'm getting alright. 1515 the timer. I've got 3 cards, okay, together. So somebody is social credit score dictatorship. So this is this is regarding a platform. This is regarding social media. Somebody is definitely buying influence on social media, okay. That's a fake page. Somebody is running a fake platform, okay, maybe using your name, okay, misusing your name, okay. And yeah, these fake pages are being run with the dark deals with the elites, right? And they are committing karmic thefts, okay, and for this they are going to spiritual jails very soon. 1555 as I say this. And they are dealing with dark entities, and somebody here is possessed with an entity attachment, okay. And I see these people are cyber stalking and digital spying on you, collective, alright. This is the one who has done bribery and corruption, alright, who has been buying influence, okay. The social butterfly, alright, can be a groupie as well. AI takeover. So I think this is regarding some manipulation going on the via platform, okay. Yeah, people are being manipulated. Somebody can be even using a chat bot using your name, alright, manipulating people, alright. That's how I see AI take over here. Alright. Yeah, they're running a fake page in your name, for sure. The reversal spell. Oh ho ho. So this is dark works returning to the sender. Okay, whatever they have sent towards you is now returning back to the sender. Congratulations, Jezebel, and to your beloved demons, okay, who are working with you against the Divine Collective's image over here. So this Jezebel is working against you, okay. This Jezebel has made some fake pages, okay, and they're running, she's or he is running, but I am getting she is running some kind of business, okay, using your fake image and whatever it is. Yeah, false soulmate trap. I cannot make this shit up. Oh my god. Bro. Oh my god, this Jezebel. Oh my god. See, as soon as I say Jezebel, like, she comes running, bro. Her energy comes running, bro. Like, how hungry she is for, you know, for publicity. So, false soulmate trap. Whoever is with this person, okay, right now, deception disguised as divine love. So somebody has told your ex-partner that this Jezebel is their soulmate, okay, but this is a soulmate trap. This has also this message has also relayed previously, bro, like a masculine trapped in trapped by karmics, okay. 1855 as I say this, bro. I have done a reading recently, okay, just check out. This masculine is trapped now, okay. Then I see secret love spells as well. So this person, this Jezebel, oh sorry, this is not a person. This Jezebel is also doing secretly love spells, okay, behind this person's back for gaining an unnatural attraction through dark means. Correct? And then we have, let me shuffle the deck, okay, which is the Most High. Thank you, and amen. So, yeah, this is puppet courtroom, so definitely truth will be known. Thank you, the Most High. Amen. Thank you. Amen. I love you, Lord, my strength. So, this person is the puppeteer over here, okay? Jezebel. I'm telling you, as soon as I say Jezebel, and this energy comes running in my readings, okay? This person is very, very, very hungry for publicity. 2020, I cannot lie, okay? 2020 on the timer. Puppet courtroom, the verdict is controlled from the shadows. Something about this person controlling somebody's verdict, okay, in the legal matters. So that's why I'm telling you that somebody is being invited to trust their own legal instincts and do not trust this person, because this person might be setting up this person, okay? This Jezebel might be setting up their own partner for financial gains, okay? 25-5 as I say this. I cannot lie, okay? I cannot make this shit up. This is very real. And truth will be known. No secrets remain buried forever. This Jezebel is gonna be exposed, and once this person is exposed, I'm telling you, the limelight she'll get, okay? The limelight she would get, my phone just lit up. The limelight she would get is unbelievable. It will be global, okay? It will be global. It will be made, it will be known globally what she did. This is not a small thing. This is not a small thing. This coven is going down, okay? Everything is being shattered, all right? The spells are being reversed, and whatever they are planning will only bring their own downfall, will only bring them to pieces, okay? And these people are not going anywhere. The archangels are surveilling them. The Most High is after them, all right? They are being watched. What do you guys think? That there are no cameras? Oh no, I'm not talking about physical cameras, bro. 222 as I say this, okay? I'm talking about spiritual surveillance. Okay, beware. Beware of my elder brothers and sisters who are surveilling you, okay? And especially about my elder brother Michael. beware of my elder brother. Okay, he's gonna blow up your ass. Like, only one archangel is enough for you guys. But let me tell you, they are here for the whole collective. 2255 as a series, and especially for you. All right, Jezzy, Miss Jezzy. You'll get your publicity, but at the divine timing. Okay, Jezzy? Alright. Alright, Jezzy. Yeah, financial manipulation. Thank you, the Most High. I love you a lot, my strength. Bro. I cannot make this shit up, bro. Financial manipulation. A hidden force controls your resources. If you guys are facing depleted financial resources or depletion in your financial gains or whatever, and you are involved with a female, a dark female, here this is. She is doing spells, okay? She is doing spells behind your back. What do you think? 2355. Let me tell you what is the main purpose of a Jezebel, okay? When you summon a Jezebel or when you get involved with a Jezebel, what she does is, she will first of all attach an entity to you, okay, via sexual contact, okay. Afterwards, she will destroy your divine connections, okay. Then she'll try to lure you through fake, lustful situations, okay. She is all about lust and destruction and nothing else, okay. She is Satan's beloved. So what she is doing in this case, she is depleting this masculine's money over here. She is there just for money. Trust me, this is a household situation, and this person is copying the divine collective. See my last reading, okay. She is trying to project the divine collective's energy on this masculine through secret love spells, okay. And this person has kept them under some kind of illusion, okay. This can be another spell over here, alright. A big spell or a curse, even a curse, okay. And I see family members are involved, okay. They know that this, yeah, they are involved with this Jezzy, okay. And then I see witness protection, okay. Someone is being shielded for telling the truth. It can be you, divine collective, okay. You can be telling the truth over here. 2555 as I say this. And then tax evasion. Tax evasion, money matters will come under scrutiny. Something about money matters here, I told you. And this is coming directly under secret love spells. This cannot be evaded. So she was trying to steal some money, okay. She has done this before as well with many males. I can sense this. This person, this is not a person, okay. This demoness, whoever it is, first of all, this is a demon spirit, alright, demonic spirit. And this is all about financial manipulation. This masculine's finances are being drained, okay. Somebody wants this masculine to be in codependent situation. Can be the parents, okay. Can be this karmic mother who herself is codependent, okay, because her husband doesn't gives her attention, alright. So she wants this attention from her son, alright. Yeah. Or maybe this person can be devising plans behind her son's back, okay. Maybe she wants a piece of money from this masculine's pocket, okay. But I see, okay, a card, corrupt judge. She's working with the corrupt judge over here, the karmic mother. Like this card just flew out, okay. Corrupt judge, the one who should uphold justice, has been bought. I cannot lie. I cannot lie. See, this came directly under puppet courtroom. Somebody's verdict is controlled from the shadows. I cannot lie. Somebody is being delusional over here. Somebody is being delusional, okay. Somebody is being delusional over here. Somebody is being manipulated through dark arts by by this Jezebel and this karmic mother. I'm not lying. Can be an evil sister involved over here. Okay, in most of your cases, this is the evil mother. Okay, who is the master manipulator, who wanted you can be a masculine, can be a feminine. Take what resonates. Okay, who wanted you to be married to this Jezebel spirit. Okay, and then just to trap you, nothing else. She doesn't want happiness for you. Okay, yeah. So just get this misconception out of your mind that she wants you happy. All right, she doesn't want you happy, and she knows every secret about you. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, she has her own tactics, her own ways. Okay, to keep tabs upon you. Don't worry. So she got you married with, this was a setup. Okay, your colleagues, your friends, your family. Okay, and this Jezebel was involved. All right, in whatever trafficking ring she is working right now. The police is investigating this Jezebel already, this promiscuous woman. All right, 2955 as I say this. What else the Most High? Energy harvesting, can't deny. Somebody is also doing energy harvesting. Oh my god. Energy harvesting for manifesting money. Okay, this is a cult. This is a cult, bro. And your vitality is being siphoned. See here, the thing is that 3030 on the timer. Here the thing is that this can be your ex-person, okay, who deceived you for this Jezebel, okay, and they listen to the karmics. Can be this mother, okay, who manipulated this person, because this person is a mama's boy. I can definitely sense this. Okay, and this is obvious, bro. Like, this person is codependent. Okay, this person is codependent on his mother. Okay, and this mother never wanted this person to be in their personal power, in their personal possession. She always wants to take decisions for this person. Why? This person never questioned why. Okay, regardless of the other siblings at home, this person never questioned, like, why me? Because this person is blind, bro. Blind, literally. Okay, among the karmics, this person is flying high right now in their ego. Okay, as if they can do anything with this Jezebel. Well, let me tell you that this person is going to destroy this masculine or feminine. Take what resonates. But in most of your cases, this is a masculine who married this Jezebel. Okay, and they also did energy work on you for sure. But let me tell you that this person energy is also being harvested. Okay, is being siphoned. They do not know their original nature or in spirit. Okay, they are stuck in this entrapment now, a 360-degree entrapment of karmics. Cool. And then see what I got. Again, financial fraud exposed. A hidden crime involving money. Alright. They definitely want to steal from you as well, divine feminine, as well as from this masculine as well. Because this masculine doesn't know that this person is the only divine masculine. Okay? And they chose a very wrong person. Like, the question is, why would Satan's people like an angel of God? 333 as I say this. There is no question, bro. There is no question that these concubines, okay, these Jezebels, these demons would like to. And by the way, this is not this question, bro. We are not even questioning this. The thing is that why the Most High would give his angel to these demons. Okay, 3355 as I say this. Why the Most High will approve of this? Moreover, you're a chosen. He would never approve this, bro. He would never approve of this. Okay? If you are out of that karmic loophole, you are in alignment now. Okay? And these assholes cannot do anything about that. Okay? Because their ass is definitely going to be blown up. Now, whatever they projected for you, they planned for you, they all are going to jail, let me tell you. Be it spiritual jail or be it a physical jail. Okay, and for some people, it's beyond the jail. Okay, it's beyond the jail and it's beyond suffering. So let us not talk about that. Okay, our vengeance is for the Lord's, and that's it. Amen. Okay. Last but not the least, for you, last but not the least message for you guys is, because the energy is very violent and very clear. See, ritual sacrifice, I cannot lie, bro. Ritual sacrifice. Someone is offering energy in exchange for power. This is what these people can do for money. 35:35 on the clock. What did I channel today? If you are my avid listener, these people have done a ritual sacrifice over here. Okay? I don't know what to say, bro. And the last but not the least is astral abduction, taken against will in spiritual realm. They wanted to take from you something, your spiritual abundance, your spiritual gifts, or maybe your spiritual gift inheritance, right? They wanted to take from you, but they wouldn't be able to. They're going to spiritual jails or jails, okay? They're not going to win at any cost, alright? Because they came in between a very, very pure and prophesized plan of God, alright? Be it a divine union or anything, okay? If you will come in between God's plan and you will not be obedient even after getting warnings from God, sorry atheists, sorry Jezebels, sorry demons and demonesses, okay, concubines, whoever you are, promiscuous, whoever, I don't care. Let me tell you that you are done for good, okay? Because now is the era of the real prophets and prophetesses to bloom in their divine light, okay? And you are just gonna see them, alright, winning. This is our winning era, alright? This is our winning era, alright? The God's army is gonna win over you, over your malicious intents or whatever plans you have devised against the divine collective. The divine collective is gonna shine, okay? Regardless of whatever obstacles you create for them, okay? Do the death spells, okay? Whatever you want to do, okay? Just bring the spell book to me, okay? Bring the spell book to me. I also want to see what kind of spells you are doing, bro. That's not working on the divine collective. What kind of coven you are, bro? And you thought you are skillful? Because you have already done with the innocent lives of other people. That's why we are sitting alive, okay? We are your divine reckoning, bro. We were sent here for an agenda, for God's plan, okay? Now is the time for you to bow down to the God, to the Creator, to the real Creator. And there is a difference, okay? Let me repeat to you, Jezebels, okay? Demons, demonesses, alright? Satan's beloved, I don't even care, okay? The archangels are gonna win. There is no federation greater than the Galactic Federation, alright? And you're gonna be humbled in the most mysterious ways by the Most High Himself, alright? Being a God's servant, it's my purpose to speak like that, alright? You have come for a very long one. you have come for a very wrong one. Okay? And let me tell you, whatever you have done with this masculine, alright, or a feminine, I don't care if they chose this Jezebel or whatever. When the truth will come, it's gonna shake everyone's foundations. And I heard you were shaking the Divine Collective's foundations. It's time to shake yours, okay? And God will shake yours. You thought that Divine Collective will retaliate against people like you. The things that you have done to the Divine Collective, you're not even equal to filth. Correct? And you crave publicity. Oh my God, you're gonna get the publicity. But in the most highest way, okay? 4140. My Divine Collective is chosen. And I was talking to Cross Watchers, the Divine Collective. It's all gonna go. See that time coming. It's all gonna go in dust. Okay? The things that you have done, from taking lives of people and manifesting money out of it, God will tell you. God will give you a publicity that you have never seen, okay? God will show you the real circus, okay? That you have, that you deserve to see, correct? Because you're a part of it. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in, joining in. I'll meet you in the next message. Till then, take care, bye-bye. Divine Rising and ciao.